is all this? Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Are you kidding me? Are you? No. No, 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 no. Waffles. This is my first time making them. I've had this waffle iron for a couple months. Never used it until now. So I'm going at this kind of blind. Well, I guess there's no in between. The bowl that I intended to use, it's in use right now. So I have to use this small bowl. It's manageable. Also, if you don't know how this show works, even though there's not really much of a system to it, I'm looking at the screen, not the camera. It's basically, I'm an amateur chef, and I attempt to make things. Sometimes it goes right, okay? Other times, well, I do this.
Okay, well, let's try this and see what we've failed at.
Ideally, you need baking powder. I have none of the sort. So, I guess my waffles aren't going to be as fluffy and crisp. We're going to start with 2 cups of flour. 2 cups is a lot. That's this entire measuring cup. So, that's 2 cups, presumably. We took up most of the bowl. I don't know how well we're going to be able to do this. Now the recipe I'm using called for 1 teaspoon salt. And, I thought that was kind of weird, but, you know, I guess everything uses salt, right? I might take this beanie off. Alright, now I need, 2 tablespoons of white sugar. I just like 1.5 cups of warm milk. You got it, boss. I don't care. So then, when he hit my mother, what I did was I grabbed the nearest knife and then I kind of like slowly backed it into him. Recipe called for warm, I made hot. It's steaming. Crap, I forgot the 2 eggs. Frick! What? 1 1/3 cup of melted butter. Or 1 1/3 cups of melted butter. Well, I don't have that much butter. So we're just gonna melt whatever's in here. You know that guy also ate? No. He uploaded 1 video and he doesn't even want to upload ever again. Ever again? Ever again. Well, that. Say it. That. It's done. Loop. What the frick else do we need? Vanilla extract. Holy frick. Oh, that's strong. This is pure vanilla. Alright, now we shall whip. Ooh. Oh, brother. Okay. Here. I wasn't whispering like that the whole time, by the way. My arm just started to get tired. Oh, right. Our final ingredient. The most important part of this creation.
Whoa, nice graphic! Please don't eat all the morsels. Please don't eat them all. 'Cause if you eat all the morsels, your cookies will be bald.
Alright, now it's time to clean up our workspace so we can get to the main star of the show. Cleaned as much as we can, but our waffle iron's done preheating, so we have to speed things up. Uh-oh, my dungarees are tingling. I think this is gonna be a failure. I'll be back with you once this is, done. Alright, quick question. I've never used a waffle iron before. I have, like, no experience, but, hold on. Okay. Is this supposed to rise the way that it is? I'm really not feeling too well about this. Oh my god. What is that? Well, let's see if we can at least give this some sort of redemption. Yep. I guess it's good enough. What do I do with the rest of this? I'm throwing it away. I'm really trying my hardest here. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try this. Yep. Oh my god. Could be. Yeah, I should have let this cook longer. Or on a lower setting. I ultimately failed.
If at first you don't succeed, pick yourself up and try again.
Frick yeah. Oh, frick yeah. I know what you're thinking, poor kid. He's so stupid. He's so stupid, he thinks he can make waffles. Ha! But I will prove you wrong. And now you wait. Oh hey, I found another morsel. I'm gonna die at 30.